Hello everybody and welcome to this week's craft video. For this week we're going to be making the Very Hungry Caterpillar. For this craft you're going to need 7 small green strips, 7 bigger green strips, 1 big red strip, a yellow piece of paper, scissors, glue, crayons, and optionally our food sheet, as you can see there. If you got all your strips cut out like I have here, you're going to cut out the circles on your food sheet. If you don't have a food sheet, that's okay. You can color the food that he eats every day, or you can ask us to print one out at the Clinton Public Library, and we would be more than happy to print out. I have some extras. I'm going to cut out all of these different things that he ate each day, and then we're going to start working on his head. So we're going to first, this is about the shape of the head that you want. Our first step though is going to be coloring in his face. So we're going to color in the eyes, which I'm just making little circles here. You can do this however you'd like and whatever color you'd like. I'm going to make his eyes. I'm going to put in some antenna, because after all, he is a caterpillar. His antenna kind of makes him look like he's mad, but I'm no artist. And we're going to make a little nose. You can draw a mouth if you want, I just left it at the nose. Next we're going to use a glue dot to stick it together and to make our first loop. We're going to be doing this a lot, so make sure you have your glue dots, or tape ready. Perfect little head. Alternatively, if you would like to give the face a little bit more color, you can use your optional yellow sheet, cut out some eyes, or just some little circles, draw on your eyes, mouth, nose, whatever you'd like. Use a glue dot, or some glue, and stick it on to the finished head. Like so. Next we're going to be working on the body. Take a small green strip, like you see here, and you're going to glue it so that it loops around the red one. You don't want them facing the same direction. Then we're going to take a bigger sheet, which is going to be part of the body, put a glue dot on one side, like we did with our neck, and bring it around so that it faces the same direction as the body. Our next part is the most fun part because we get to color. Again, if you don't have this little sheet like I have, and you didn't cut out circles, you can cut out plain circles with just normal paper and draw on an apple. That is what he ate on the first day, so I'm going to put it on the first section of the body. He ate 1 apple on the first day, 2 pears the second, 3 plums the third, 4 strawberries on the 4th day, 5 oranges on the next day, a plethora of foods on the 6th day, and he ate a leaf on the last day. So you can use your imagination and color in as many as you'd like. I used the pre-made sheet, like I did here, and just stuck it on with a glue dot. You're going to continue to do this with each section of food that he ate in every day. Again, you can either make your own, or you can ask us at the Clinton Public Library to print you out a sheet. We also have some take-home crafts that are already pre-made. Your final product should look something like this, with each day on each part of the body, going from smallest to the biggest thing he ate. It's super cute and a great craft. I hope you guys enjoyed. We will see you next time.